You guys, I didn't even know there was like a little extension, but I went over to the falls here and I was going to take some pictures. I was taking pictures and then I saw this and I was like, what? I didn't know it went up. So I'm going to stop rolling and I'm going to go up there and turn it back on. Yeah, I didn't even know that it goes up here. I've never been up here. And there's even a bench. So there's like a thing up here. And there's some people over here. And you know I'm going to say hello. Oh my God, you go park up here? I never knew this. No way. Isn't that cute? Oh God. Look at that. Look at all the geese, you guys. Look. Here. Look at how do they not fall off, you guys? How do they not fall off? That's so cute. Now we go back. Hi there, guys.
Hi.
I never knew this was up here. I only knew that down there.
Hi, seen it?
We scared all the Canadian geese were all over here. We scared them away.
They're mean. They're mean.
Oh yeah, they can float.
Yeah, we're brutal.
They don't have any babies, so
Oh,
if they
okay.
had babies, I wouldn't
Yeah.
have bothered them because
Yeah.
they have
They're
babies.
very territorial with their babies. Look, you guys, little dogs.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, you gotta watch the ground.